From the front entrance, the homeowner is showing you your initial view of your guests. They would come in the front door. There's a double closet, stairs leading upstairs. To your left and to your right, this beautiful big open space. That's a grand piano to give you an idea of size. The deck back here is on the northeast corner. You can see it's easy care. Vinyl product. This home was designed for a relative of this builder, so it's got lots of really great upgrades. Check out that countertop on this gigantic island. Solid surface, counters here, tons of counter space. Check this out. Gigantic double window overlooking the backyard. Double sink. Wine refrigerator. Pan drawers in the island. Appliance garage. Gas stove, built-in micro, double refrigerator with water and ice in the door, these super cool custom lights, off of the kitchen you see these great cubbies. A bench with cubbies. It's the big utility closet off the back entry. Then a really cute half bath with a vessel sink. Back to the kitchen again. The garage door was right there, conveniently located next to the half bath. And the cubbies and bench. And here's the seating on the other side of the island. Just to give you an idea of how much extra space there is here. We've just come up the stairs from the front entry. As you can see, there's a second floor living room. Easy care, wood look floors, huge windows. This room's big enough for a giant sofa, a chair and table, and in this back corner, this really cute built-in bar. Built-in desk, master suite, big beautiful suite. You can see that's a big bed. Double sinks, big mirror, great nickel light fixtures. Double seated shower, 2 seats, a big walk-in closet through this door, And a private closeted loo, of course. Back out into the hall. Second floor laundry. Lots of cabinets. A big folding area that's built in with hamper space beneath it. This bedroom is on the southwest corner. Kids' bedroom, double closets, great fun colors. I do have a painter on staff. If you don't like these colors, we can make something else happen for you and make it part of the deal. This is the other kids' room, built-in desk, double closets. Everywhere on the second floor has these great solid floors. The write-on wall, which is fun for kids, but again, I can get that changed if you'd like. We are downstairs in the family room. Look out lower level. This is finished especially for family down here. This is a resin flooring that actually adheres to the concrete. It's just been, some of these rooms have been recently painted. They've just started painting. So some of them, they're finishing trim work and touch-ups, etc. You can see that this is another huge bedroom suite. This is set up almost like an apartment. There's a display ledge there, which is a great place to put your art and your trophies. A big lookout window for natural light, and also to make this a legal bedroom. And then back in here, we have more fabulous countertops. All of these countertops are custom, solid, and another full bath. That concludes the tour of this finished lower level.